Alright. So I've just primed my eyes and done my eyebrows. What we're going to do is set the eyebrow with a flesh tone color. Then we're going to take a brown, like a gray tone brown, and you're just going to put that in the crease. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker brown and just repeat that same shape. It can be a little sloppy. You're going to take a darker brown and just create this outer V shape. And you're just going to drag it just a little bit and not all the way. The next part, you're just going to take a little bit of a concealer or a base and you're going to cut your crease halfway. You're going to go in with a lighter brown. You're just going to kind of blend these in together so it doesn't look as crazy harsh. Add some winged liner, and then I take a Q-tip with makeup remover and clean it up. Next part, we're going to take this and this, and we're going to make a little triangle like right there. So I'll be right back, okay? Just going to go back into that like caramel brown and just dot, 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 dot under the eyelid. So about right there. After you've done the caramel color, you're going to take that darker brown and you're just going to really put that just right through there. Alright, so then you're going to take the white and just drag it down and there. Alright, so you're just going to take and do the little black inner corner, and then you're going to take and do your eyeliner. This is green because I made green eyeliner with it. You're going to take and do a neutral shade in the waterline. Only till about right there though. Alright, this is the finished look.